The MMD bolt-on carbon fiber hood strut kit is available for any 2005 to 2014 Mustang owner who might be looking to get rid of the ugly and in-the-way factory hood prop and replace it with something modern, convenient, and more stylish. Now this one has a race-inspired carbon fiber appearance and runs at about $130 for the set. Now, the installation is a bolt-on as the title suggests, so expect 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter, which I'll walk you through later on in the video. Now if you're the type of Mustang owner taking your pony to a lot of car shows and you're trying to show off some underhood dress-up pieces, the factory hood prop can be an ugly way to display them. Now these are a great alternative because they stay out of the way at the bottom corners of your hood and even add an aggressive finish with their carbon fiber look. Now they reliably keep the hood open and they lock into place so you don't have to worry about the weight of the hood bringing them down. Now aside from the looks, they're just all around more convenient. Leaning over your front end to do even just routine maintenance can be tough with the hood prop in the way. Now these make it easier to work without having to lean over the side of the fenders awkwardly when the front is where you want to be. Now the set has 2 powerful MMD gas struts which are made from a lightweight steel and aluminum with a carbon fiber appearance. Now it also gives it a layer of corrosion and rust resistance, which is always a bonus. And for just about $130, you can pick the setup for yourself, which again is the most affordable option and in my opinion makes things a little bit easier. Now there are other options with varying price tags depending on finish, such as Modern Billet's chrome, carbon fiber, and one with Mustang lettering, but they all serve the same function. That would just be a matter of preference. The installation only takes about 30 minutes to an hour with simple hand tools like a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, 10mm and 13mm sockets with some extensions. Now I'd absolutely give this one 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter since it doesn't require drilling or permanent modifications. The first thing you want to do is install one of the lower brackets using the factory fender bolt. With the hood supported by the factory prop, remove the top bolt on the hood hinge and loosen the rear one enough to slide the larger bracket labeled P between the hood hinge and bolt. Then tighten those bolts back up to secure the bracket. Remove the small retaining clips from the strut balls, then pop the strut balls over the strut ball mounts on the brackets. Replace the retaining clip to keep the balls locked into place. Once you repeat this for the opposite side with the bracket labeled D, you're good to go. Well, that just about does it for me, so if you're the owner of an 05 to 09 Mustang, you might want to check out the MMD bolt-on carbon fiber hood strut kit, which you can find right here at AmericanMuscle.com.